Welcome to Cindy Eats. I'm Cindy. Hey. Amen, amen, amen. Crawfish I cooked myself. Got mayo, mustard, vinegar, mayo, mustard, vinegar. What else? Crab seasoning, hot sauce. What else? Crab seasoning, hot sauce. I don't know. It's good though. I think I like this way. I cook these myself if I didn't say. Females. I really prefer my crabs not to be smoking hot. Not a question. What if you had full custody of your child because the other parent was on drugs? Like out bad on drugs. And it's been probably like 2 or 3 years you done had the child. And whether you man or woman, it's the parent holiday, whether it's Mother's Day or Father's Day, and the other parent got the child for that holiday. You say you clean, you done kept the child on other occasions before, while the other parent out doing whatever. And I'm talking about out doing whatever. Because you see it, because they're very active on social media. But it's this holiday, whether it's Mother's or Father's Day, and you want to see your child, you want to spend that day with your child. You had your child the previous weekend. And you know you're going to get them the next weekend. Do you feel like you have the right, or you should be able to get the child for your, parent holiday, whether it's Mother's or Father's Day? Y'all just answer that part, because it does involve, a situation that I've seen online. I don't know these people in real life. I just seen their lives on social media. Yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all who it involved. Mind you, I only follow them on social media. The parents involved is Messy C, also known as Clarence Yarborough. Dang, did I eat that fast? Dang. On Instagram, Facebook, he's known as Messy C. He has full custody of 2 of his children. He has 3 altogether. One is in Florida that he visits. He's in Louisiana somewhere. The mother's Instagram is saying Autumn Petite, and I follow her too. So recently it was Mother's Day. Messy C and Autumn has a son together. He's like 5-6 years old. Messy done had the boy for about 2-3 years. And the mother Autumn wanted him for Mother's Day. He told her no. Mind you, she was struck out on drugs to the point she couldn't take her son. Went to court and legally he got, custody 100%. They share custody. As I said, she had the boy the weekend before Mother's Day, and she was gonna have him the weekend after. She's watched him while he's been out doing whatever. And you know he out doing whatever because he broadcasts his life on social media. You may have seen him in some capacity, in some form of fashion, because he's a man, but he very much talks like a woman. Talk about taking women's husbands and all. He got a big old butt and likes to shake it and toot it and all.
Ooh, it's the walk for me. Give him walk, babe.
He'll dress like a man and dress like a woman. Wear wigs, shave his beard, all kind of stuff. That's how I know who the mama is, because he done tagged her. So I started following her, and she seen that she danced. Messy C is known to be with men. He even married one. The mama is also I don't know the proper word. She loves women. She's female attracted. but they created a son. She put him on the social media, you know, about how you basically doing her wrong, not letting her have a boy on Mother's Day. Recorded their whole conversation and all. It's up on her page. And you can hear it.
Hey!
Hold on. Not just that. You packed the bag for him when you came to the house. You made sure it was clean on drugs. On drugs.
All right, well, give me my credit. Well, know that I would do better. Know that I'm not on drugs, so I would do 10 times better.
And the only reason why I came to my mind is because yesterday she did a live when she was eating crawfish. And sis was not looking good. So much so, in the comments, they was like, is you high? Is you on drugs? One of her family members was in the comments like, every time y'all get on here, y'all talk about drugs. My cousin is clean. But if you would have seen this video. Also female, they all females. After she did that live, about 20 minutes later, she went live again. And she was just very calm, very chill now.
Y'all killing me with them fucking comments. You be making my day with them bitches. Them comments be so fucking funny. Guess who I'm about to spend my day with? That's who I'm about to spend my day with. Cause they be busy, dirty bitch. I need me a new Bible, y'all. My shit tore up. I had to put some tape on it.
You know, it got me to thinking, you know, just last week, you was fighting for your son for Mother's Day. It's very apparent, you know, something went right during your live. Is this why he wouldn't let you get the son? Is this why he wouldn't let you see him? And even still, you know, we all have faults. You know, we all have issues. Is that a reason to keep him away anyway? Because if you know Messy Seal, if you go to his page, you'll see he's very active on social media. He doesn't hide, you know, a lot of his life. So to say. But it was like he popped up with this son out of nowhere, and people was like, "Whoa, how you do?" And since he's had him, he's kept them. Fruit fly. Showcased them on his page and everything. But I've also seen him with the mama while Messy was out being messy. Tell me what y'all think. Just the situation alone, what would you do? Is it fair? Like, could they have compromised? And like, I say it could have been a compromise. If he didn't want her to get the son the whole weekend, or you know, for that day anyway. They could have he could have invited her over to dinner or out to eat, or went to, you know, her mama house or something, or she came to his mama house or something, so that she can see her son can see her. Went out somewhere. Hope to see you next time on Cindy Eats. Bye.